In this problem, the goal is to determine the number of minutes required for all oranges to rot if all adjacent rotting oranges turn each of its adjacent oranges to also rot. So in order to do so, breadth first search is used. First, putting the queue and counting the number of fresh oranges and putting the rotting ones into the queue. Then it checks if there are any fresh oranges. If not, then it can simply return 0. Otherwise, first the direction pairs are initialized and then looping through the queue. Checks if the queue is empty and while the queue exists, the front is gotten and initialized as x and y. Then popped from the front. Afterwards, the direction of each is gotten by looping through dirs and then adding the dx and dy to go in 4 directions. And then it checks if the I and j are within the bounds, and if it is fresh, then it is set to be rotten, and the rotten orange is pushed into the queue. And then the number of fresh oranges is decreased, while the minutes is increased with each queue. Then it sees if the fresh is greater than 0. If so, it returns -1. If not, then it returns minutes.